Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from Beading, and in today's tutorial I'm gonna be showing you in super easy steps how to make this colorful bracelet that is beginners friendly, and I'm showing it in super easy steps. And you see there is another variation of this pattern. It depends how you arrange the beads and what colors you use. So I invite you to come with me and create this bracelet together. Consider subscribing with the bell, liking, sharing and commenting for more content like this, and also checking the membership option if you need additional content and digital patterns. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so what I'm using for this bracelet are 5 colors of 11-ounce seed beads. You could use 10-ounce if you want. They are black, yellow, orange, red and blue. Here I'm using a clasp and a jump ring. This is Nylbond nylon thread. This is size 11 beading needle, use similar size, and these are scissors. Okay, let's get started. Okay guys, and I'm taking 3 black beads, my clasp, and 4 black beads. And I'm going to slide this down. And here I want to make a knot by making a loop and going twice through the loop I've made, and then making just one more knot. Okay. Then friends, what I want to do is to go through this black bead here, and I take a yellow, a black and a yellow, and I go back through this black bead. Okay, and I have this. I go through this black and I take orange, black and orange, and I go back. Then I take red, black, red, and I go backwards. Blue, black, blue, go backwards. And I'm going to repeat the same thing, alternating the colors. So it is absolutely the same element, but I have this colorful sequence that I follow: yellow, orange, red, blue. Okay friends, now continue repeating this sequence until you have the desired length for your bracelet. It depends on your wrist size. You could always put an extension chain if you think it's short. Okay, so I'll continue and I'll be back. Okay guys, and when I continue beading, I have my desired length of 52 colorful elements. You could do less or more. It depends on your personal preference of the length of this bracelet. And now I want to add my jump ring from this side. How am I going to do this? Okay, I'm taking 6 black beads and the jump ring, and all that I'm doing is that I'm going backwards like this through this black bead at the end. Okay, I have it added here. So now I want to go in this direction through the blue bead. Here, my friends, I'm going to start adding black beads like that between the colorful beads. You see, everywhere I'm just filling the gaps between the colorful beads with blacks. Okay, and because this row is super easy and I don't want to bore you, I will do this until the end. You could pause, do it, and then come back and we'll continue together. Okay guys, and when I continued adding those beads, I'm here at the last step. Just to warn you, don't pull too tight at this step and your work might start bending to one side, but when we do the next row, it will straighten up. So I'm here at the very last step where I'm adding my last black bead. I go like this. Now, what I want to do is to start my next row. And how I'm going to start it, just go back through this yellow bead, like that. And it is extremely easy again. You just fill in those gaps that are showing between the colorful beads. Again, don't pull too tight, just go and place this nicely with no pressure. Okay, I believe you know how to do this, so continue until the end and I'll be back. Okay friends, and when I continue adding beads until the end, here I am at the last step where I'm going to through this blue bead. Now what I want to do is to go backwards through this blue and through the black. And here at this step I'm going to start adding colorful beads. Where I have red, I add red. Where I have orange, I add orange. And I continue absolutely the same way until the end of this row, guys. And because it's super easy, I will continue and I'll meet you from the other side to tell you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and I'm here at the last step where I'm adding this orange bead. And here I'm not going to add any more beads. Okay, so don't worry that these beads are moving around like this. We'll fix them with the next row. So now what I want to do is to pass again at the other side of my work. So I go here like this. And I'm going to repeat absolutely the same thing. Take an orange here, where is the orange? A red one, where the red one is. Don't pull too tight, just place them gently. Then a blue and a yellow. Okay, continue these guys until the end and I'll be back. Okay friends, and I'm here at the last step where I'm adding the last red from this row. Now I think you know what we should do next. Okay, I pass like this through those beads. And here friends, what I want to do is just to fill in those gaps, adding black beads in between those colorful beads. And you see how extremely easy these rows are. That's why I will let you do this until the end of this row, and I'll meet you at the other side. And now, friends, I'm exiting here and I'm adding my last black bead from this row. I'm always turning my work the way it's easier for me. And I go here through this orange. And I will continue adding black beads from this side, always just placing them gently, never pulling too tight. Okay, and it is absolutely the same thing, so I will continue until the end and I'll be back. And here I am, guys, where I'm adding the very last bead from this row. Okay, so here I just wanna make a knot and cut this thread. How am I going to do this? Just I will make a loop and I will go twice through the loop I've made, pulling, and I will go through 1 or 2 beads after this knot. And I will cut this thread. Here I have another thread that needs to be cut. So this is the bracelet. Okay, guys, and now my beginners friendly seed beads bracelet is ready. So if you like it and you want to see more and more tutorials like this, it's a good idea to subscribe if you still haven't. Also like, share and comment, and if you want additional content from me like video courses and digital patterns, you could check the membership option, check description and the join button. Thank you for staying here with me until the end. Now click on the video that you see here and continue watching.